This is my JITO price prediction. JITO's market cap sits at $758 million, but its fully diluted valuation, or FDV, is $2.5 billion. That means only 30% of JTO's total supply is in circulation. So why does this matter? Because when you compare market cap to FDV, you get a measure of how much future token unlocks could impact the price. In JITO's case, there's still a lot of supply that could enter the market over time. If demand doesn't keep up, there's potential selling pressure, but on the flip side, if staking adoption increases and Solana's ecosystem continues to grow, JITO could absorb that supply without a major price drop. Right now, JITO's trading volume is around $58 million per day, which is decent but not explosive. When you compare that to its market cap, the market cap to trading volume ratio suggests that while JITO has a strong foundation, it's not experiencing the kind of parabolic hype cycle that sends tokens soaring. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Slow and steady growth often outperforms hype-driven pumps and dumps just as fast. But let's talk about price action. JTO hit an all-time high of $6 before retracing nearly 60%. It's now sitting at around $2.5 to $3, still significantly above its all-time low of $1.45. This tells us two things. JTO has experienced a hype cycle, but it hasn't completely collapsed like many altcoins. It's holding a relatively strong floor, and the question is, what's next? For price predictions, we have to look at three key factors: market conditions, token utility, and overall sentiment in the Solana ecosystem. Market conditions. Crypto as a whole is still in a recovery phase. If Solana keeps growing, JITO benefits directly. The more people staking Sol, the bigger JITO's total value locked gets, and the higher demand for JITO as a governance token. Second, token utility. JITO isn't just another staking protocol, it's built on MEV rewards. By redistributing MEV profits back to stakers, JITO is offering an additional revenue stream that most staking platforms don't. If this model gains traction, we could see increasing demand for JITO Sol and in turn JITO. Third, sentiment in the Solana ecosystem. JITO is closely tied to Solana's performance. If Solana's network continues to attract developers and investors, JITO will benefit. But if Solana slows down, JITO's growth could stall. So where does this leave us for price potential? In the short term, if JITO maintains current levels and Bitcoin dominance stays strong, we could see a retest of $4 to $5, but this all depends on Bitcoin. I think breaking all-time high might require either a broader Solana bull run or a major catalyst like exchange listings or institutional staking interest. Basically, actual investments in the utility of the project. Long term, if JITO continues to capture a large share of Solana's staking market and MEV remains a sustainable revenue source, we could be looking at $10 plus over the next cycle. So let's be clear, not every project is worth buying just because it has good fundamentals, hype trends, and market sentiment move prices in crypto, not just technology. This is why I never buy and hold projects blindly, I trade them based on the trends. I've got links down below exactly on how I ride these trends, how I enter them, how I short them, and how I extract the money. I've also linked to the two exchanges I use in the description, where I find projects early before the big exchanges list them. These platforms act as filters, meaning they already eliminate most of the bad projects before they ever get listed. It's a way safer way to get into new projects without taking on the full risk of blockchain trading. Stay tuned for updates, and if you want to see exactly how I execute this strategy, check out the links down below. Good luck out there in the market, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.